Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Trader Joe's dumpling bake, so let's get started with the video. These are the ingredients I got from Trader Joe's that we will be using, and I'll have them listed in the description below. First, in a 9x13 baking dish, add 1 can of coconut cream. Then add a half a bottle of Thai-style red curry sauce, 3 tablespoons of soyaki sauce, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, take 1 pack of the Trader Joe's frozen dumplings and line the dumplings up in the baking dish. When you're finished, cover the baking dish in tinfoil, then place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. Once the dumplings have finished baking, remove the tinfoil. Then add chili onion crunch, green onions, and cilantro on top. And this is the finished result. This dumpling bake is so good. It is absolutely delicious and super easy to make. It's perfect for a quick dinner and tastes great over some white rice. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!